Okay, last bunch, the 13 through 16. Okay, here we go. Combining like terms. Negative 3b minus 6b. You owe me $3. You borrow 6 more. You are down $9. That's the ugliest 9. Okay. He's still important. Okay. Negative 9 times b. So we're going to undo that. By dividing both sides by that coefficient. Negative divided by negative is positive. 9 divided by 9 is 1. So the b comes down. Positive divided by a negative is negative. 18 divided by 9 is 2. So your final answer is negative 2. Ta-da! Okay, so combining like terms. I only have the one variable term. Let's just bring them down. We've got a positive 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is positive 1. Right, and again, that reverse PEMDAS order, we're going to add and subtract whatever we need to off. Before I can get the x alone, I need to get 3x alone, meaning that positive 1 needs to go. So I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. 3x. 1 minus 1 is nothing. Equals negative 14 minus 1. You owe me 14 and borrow 1 more. Okay, so 3 times x. We undo that by dividing both sides by 3. That way this is really a 1 over here. So 1x or just x. Negative divided by a positive is a negative. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So your final answer is just negative 5. Okay, I'm going to start with my variables. I only have the one variable term over here. And I have a 1 minus 4. You have $1, but you owe me $4. So we settle up and you're like, hey, I still owe you 3, miss. Equal sign 21. So we have a negative 3. We're going to add 3 to both sides, right? Because reverse PEMDAS. We do it to both sides to make sure we're fair. This 8a has not yet been touched. Negative 3 plus 3 is nothing. If you owe me 3 and bring 3, there we go. Okay, and 21 plus 3 is 24. 8 times a, we divide by 8 on both sides, because we would end up with a big 1 here. 8 divided by 8 is 1. So 1a, or just a. 24 divided by 8 is 3. Final answer for edge elastic is just a big 3. Okay. I feel like I've done this one already. Starting with the variables. 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. You got 1b or just b. And I never dealt with this. It is a positive 1. So then we want to subtract 1 from both sides. 1 plus 1 is nothing. So we have b equals 6 minus 1 is 5. Final answer is just 5. Hope you learned something.